The iView FL200 is a padlock featuring fingerprint recognition, allowing you to lock up items securely with the touch of a finger. Easy to charge, just plug in and go. The charging port is protected by a plastic seal to prevent water and dust damage as well. Keep your valuables secure. Lock bags, luggage, journals, cabinets, doors, warehouses, and more with ease. You don't need to worry about your keys or combos falling into the wrong hands. Store up to 10 fingerprints, enabling you to unlock with all 10 of your fingers or give access to other trusted individuals.